Hi, Nathan Harvey here again at the DevOps Talks conference, and now I'm here with
Annie.
Hi,
Annie Lin.
Annie,
Good.
how's it going?
Good, thank you.
Annie, can you tell the folks where you work?
So I work for VMware. I'm the application platform architect for Asia Pacific Japan region.
Awesome. And so as that role, I'm sure you have to look after your applications in production.
Yes.
And do a lot of monitoring and observability and things like that.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So Annie, how do you distinguish infrastructure metrics and observability from your application metrics and observability?
So those are really, thanks for that question. So application metrics and infrastructure metrics, as a whole, we all need them in terms of really coming up with a systematic view of our stack or our system running potentially on cloud or on-prem. So when we look at this, we're really not distinguishing between them, and we really need a whole overall view of the observability concept. So as I mentioned, we've got metrics, we've got histogram, we also got traces. So those are the elements that we really use and fundamentally to help us to really finding the bottlenecks. And those are the metrics that we use to actually help quickly diagnose where the bottleneck is and trying to make, in terms of producing the most valuable products and making our customer happy.
Oh, yeah. Customers happy.
Exactly.
Yes, I love that. It's all about the customer happiness.
Exactly.
So you also introduced me to a new term that I have to tell you I'm starting to fall in love with. Okay. It's the one on the back of your jacket that no one can see. Oh, there it is. Tell us about that.
So B-Chop is really a concept that's been turned by Wavefront. So it's really about work for lazy, about build for lazy. We don't want to work harder, as we all want to spend more time at the beach. So how do we make our systems, our computers, our tools being smarter and actually work on our behalf? So that's really the concept behind that. However, to achieve that philosophy, that dream, it's really not easy. Build for lazy, it's not easy. So you need to make, collecting understanding what you need to collect, what data you need to ingest, and you also need to understand, what's important and how do you run the right queries, how do you making the machine to do the work that you have potentially need to solve yourself previously, right?
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Annie, and be sure to tune in for more from the DevOps Talks conference. And for right now, Annie, let's go to the beach.
Thank you.